recording.
Okay, and hit it again and see if it stops. But it has to be on the film.
At 6%.
Alright guys, I know it's a little rainy out right now, but I might as well do with this and get it over with. So this is my 2006 Lariat XLT 6.0 Power Stroke. I have the new 6.7 badges on it. There's the older 6.7. It has 20x12 XD series wheels on it with a Cooper Discovery SST Pro on it. Go around here. So I have a 4-inch exhaust from the turbo, but it's a 3.5-inch downpipe from the turbo to a 4 to an 8-inch tip. Has a 6-inch BDS suspension lift kit on it. Harley headlights, HIDs all around. I'll have a startup clip too. Let's go inside. It's a little messy in here right now. I'll work out of this thing. So, let's see, turn it on. 86,040 miles. I have the Pioneer head unit in it. It's a Lariat, so I have leather and everything. Tiny seat in the back. The uplifter switches and everything, which come on this year's truck. I think that's an option too. For your glasses. That's really about it. Motor's kind of stock, really. I have a tune on it. SCT, live wire TS. Go ahead, turn this off. So it has the tuner, exhaust, That's really it. Coming soon, I'm gonna be getting it studded. I'm not sure if I want to do bigger injectors. Really depends on how much money I'm making and what it's gonna cost me. I did get a quote, but it's a little high, so don't even want to throw it out there. But that's really it. This is my build, and you'll be seeing more of this on the channel. I'm just getting started, so hopefully you guys will support me. Me and Justin Fio collab a lot, and you'll see more. Cool. Thank you guys. Peace out.